Saving money while gardening can be achieved through various strategies. Number one, start from seeds. So purchase seeds instead of planting young ones. This is often cheaper and allows for a great variety of plants. Number two, compost. Create your own compost using kitchen scraps and yard waste. This reduces the need for store-bought fertilizers and improves soil health. Number three, use recycled materials. So repurpose items like containers, pallets, and old furniture for planters and garden structures, reducing costs significantly. Number four, plan your garden. Design your garden layout carefully to maximize space and minimize waste. Companion planting can also improve yields. All right. Number five, choose perennials. All right. So basically, invest in perennial plants that come back every year. So that's going to save you much money too. Number six, mulch. So organic materials like leaves or straw, mulch to reduce waste. For growth, moisture, watering costs. Number seven, collect rainwater. Set up a barrel to collect rainwater for irrigation, reducing your water bill. Number eight, share and trade. Exchange seeds, cuttings, plants with neighbors and friends to diversify your garden without spending money. By implementing these strategies, which will also be all written in the description, in case there's anything you missed, you can enjoy gardening while keeping your costs low.